So I'm heading to a home that I'm going to be doing 3 things with. I'm going to be doing a Matterport video. I'm going to be doing a cloudpano video, and I'm also going to do just a regular photo shoot and possibly put in some drone pictures as well. Doing that for a client. Client's not sure if they want Matterport or cloudpano. I told them the good things about both. So I'm gonna give them both options and let them choose which option they like the most. I just got to the property and looks really nice. Just went around, turned on all the lights, and now I'm getting ready to. I'm gonna do the photos first, and then do the 360 photos after that. What I'm using for my real estate photography is a Canon Rebel XSI 450D with a Tamron 10 to 24 millimeter lens. All right, so now I'm done with the HDR photography. So I'm going to get out my 360 camera and start with Matterport and the cloudpano. So for my Matterport and cloudpano shoots, I'm using my Insta360 1X camera. It's a little lower quality than the Z1, which I will upgrade to eventually, but it's a really nice starter camera if you want to get into real estate photography, and especially the 360 virtual tours. So all done with Matterport and cloudpano for this home. I'm gonna go home and do some editing. Decided not to do any drone footage just because we're not doing video, we're only doing photographs. So thanks for coming along with me on this journey today to see kind of my workflow and what I do out in the world. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll have more videos for you here in a little while. Have a great day.